gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have another Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription unboxing. Now, for those of you who don't know, I haven't had this on my channel for a little while because they were having trouble getting their products in for their bags, their upcoming bags that they had. So they did give you an option to get a pass bag if you didn't want to wait for the bags that they were working on, the stuff to come in. Well, I decided that I wanted to wait because I really didn't want duplicate bags. And then all of a sudden I got a shipment of 3 bags in my mailbox, and I was like, wow, they must have got all their stuff all at once, right? So I opened my first bag last week or the week before, whenever I aired that video, and it was a repeat bag, which was the Harley Quinn bag. I did very much enjoy that bag when I got it, but I really didn't want another one. So I'm not really sure if this is going to be another repeat bag or not because, again, I didn't open any of them. So without further ado, let's see what this bag is. Okay, guys, so, woo! Here's the bag, identical to the other one, and the one that I'm going to show you next time. But let's see if it's a duplicate bag. I really don't know. Like I said, I didn't peek because I wanted to wait for their current upcoming. It's a repeat. Oh, guys, I think they're all going to be repeat bags. So this is the Black Widow bag, which I very much enjoyed. I loved it. I thought it was a great bag. But again, I just really don't want 2 of them. So let's go ahead and show you what's in it anyway. So this is a 4x6 art print by Megan E. Risk. I think it is amazing. I absolutely love her little art prints. And I do have a cool idea for these art prints that you guys will see at some point this year. So let's go ahead. Here's the little thing. They've packaged it up all nicely for me here. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with this little bundle of jewelry here. I am glad to have those again. I have those on right now, the Avenger earrings. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. So, you know, if I do a giveaway with this bag, y'all ain't going to get those earrings again because I probably would love to, we'll keep it to have a second pair. I'm just saying, let me open those for you guys. For some reason, I'm having some trouble here. But these are so incredibly cute. Look at those. I love these earrings. I wear them quite often. They're just the right length for like everyday earrings. I think they are so super cute. So I'm happy to have that again, actually. So this is the bracelet. Again, it is so cute, guys, but I just don't know that I need 2 of them. So here's the bracelet. It is super cute. It's got like a braiding on the sides there and everything. I really like it. It is a nice little bracelet. Okay, so then we have the necklace. I'm going to open this because you guys are going to get glare if I don't otherwise. So I'm going to put my hand underneath it, and hopefully that helps you guys be able to see it. The necklace is so pretty. I really like the necklace a lot. But, yeah. That's the same packaging as the other one. Okay. So we have a pin. I was not a pin person, for those of you who don't know, until I started getting the subscription because they have some of the coolest pins ever. Loving the pin. I think it is so super cute and awesome. I don't know. I might need 2 of them if I want to do something cool with them. And then we have this really cool patch, which I love. And you know what? Maybe I can use 2 of those. So maybe it's not so bad that I got 2 of like another bag like this, because you know there's actually some stuff that I can do with that. Ooh, I almost dropped that. They always include a magnet, which is so fun because I have a wall. My fridge is covered in all of these super cool magnets that I get from them and the Heroes Tower, and I absolutely love it. There is plenty of room on my refrigerators for all of the magnets that I've been getting. So the last thing in here, I think this is a scarf. So you know what? I won't be doing a giveaway with this bag, and I'll tell you why. Because I can take this scarf, which I think is so super cute. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see it. I think that this material and fabric is fabulous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make myself something. Now that I have 2 scarves, that's plenty to make myself something pretty cool. So I am going to keep this one. And I'm actually happy to have a second one. So that actually worked out in my favor. So again, guys, this is the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription box. They have a different fandom every single month normally, but they had some trouble because, you know, with COVID and all these things that's going on, they just had some trouble getting their inventory in for their upcoming bags. Hopefully we'll be able to get that straightened out very soon and be able to continue, you know, with the newer bags that they had. I can understand why they sent me the bags, because they just didn't want everything to get backed up too much for their customers. Completely understand that. Just wish that maybe they did like variety bags or something like that instead of repeat bags. I just think that would have been a lot more fun and exciting for people who have already received these bags. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. If you're interested in the Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription, I will have a link in the description box below. That's all I got for you this time, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have another Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription unboxing. Now, the first one that I unboxed, well, let me back up here. Let me try it again. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have another Kal-Elle Fandom monthly subscription unboxing. That didn't work at all. Try it again. Okay, guys, so, woo, did that work?